Okay, wanted to make a review on this. This is the Space Saver pop-up outlet. This thing's awesome. Starts, once you tighten this, it will be level and flush with the table. And then watch this. Push and pop up with USB drives, USB-C. Check that out. And as well as power outlets. And then once you're done, push it back in and you're good to go. And wireless charging right on top, and that will be flush with the desk. Let's install this thing and see how awesome this is. And right here on this desk, I've already got a hole, and this is a good location for it. The hole is just not quite big enough, so we're going to drill that 80mm hole to make sure this pop-up fits. Okay, so I have a template since I'm cutting a bigger hole. And there we go, the hole is made. Okay, now all we'll do is take the lock ring off. We'll put the cord down in the hole. And there you go, just like that. It's gonna lie flush with whatever surface you put it on. And then we'll take the lock ring and put it on the bottom. All right, make sure the top is flush and tight to the surface, and then tighten that lock ring up. And then take the other end and plug it into power. Okay, let's check out the wireless charging. And there we go, it is charging. Now if you want to plug something in, all we're going to do is push it down and up. Ports right here for charging, just to make sure that it works. It is charging once you plug it in, okay. But of course you don't need a charging brick. You can just use the USB right there. And we are charging. So we'll probably plug some speakers or any other desk accessories into this, but what's awesome is that this goes straight down and can do wireless charging flat on the surface. But it can still be raised up and do charging up high as well. This is a great pop-up charging station. Works really well, very versatile, and it can go fully flat. Can highly recommend, definitely go get one of these.